So, table of contents, table of contents, table of multiplication. So, yeah. So, rock muna tayo guys. So, 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 10, 10, 10. 1 times 2 equals 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 4 equals 8. Again. Why? 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Good job! Guys, napaliw si Guy. So, ayan guys, good evening po sa ating lahat. So, nandito na naman si Inday upang ipagpautuloy sa inyo yung naudlot na topic natin noong nakarang araw about sa rules of sign. So, hindi po na-included yung division. So, ipagpatuloy po natin ngayon kasi medyo gahol po tayo sa time. So, kailangan na meron din yung division. So, yung division po guys is magkatulad lang yung rules nila sa multiplication. So, ang multiplication is positive times positive equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Positive, pagbalik rin natin, negative times positive equals negative pa rin, is still negative. Kapag opposite sign, yung pag-multiplicationin natin guys is still negative. Negative times negative equals positive. So, ganun din yung rules ng division. So, positive divided by positive equals positive. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Negative divided by negative equals positive. So, magkaparehas lang po yung multiplications and divisions ng rules. So, yan, madali lang yung division, guys. So, ito yung i-continue natin na ita-topic. So, ayan. Let's go na. So, let's go. So, ayan guys, mag-start na tayo sa division. So, yung division is nasa quiz 3. So, mag-quiz tayo. Pindutin natin yung quiz 3. Iyan. Pumunta na tayo sa division. So, start na tayo. Y equals 54 divided by 9. Y equals, so, same sign, positive and positive. So, lagyan natin ng brush. Same sign na positive and positive. So, ang sign natin dyan is positive. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Positive 6. So, bilugan natin yung positive 6. Ayan. Okay, correct. Next, x equals 27 divided by 3. X equals, so same yung solution natin na same yung problem natin sa nauna. Same sign na positive. So, lagyan natin ng brush. Positive and positive. So, same sign. So, ang sign natin is positive. So, 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Positive 9. Yan, bilugan natin yung positive 9. Okay. Next, y equals negative 36 divided by 9. Y equals. So, yan. Opposite yung sign natin, guys. So, kapag opposite yung sign natin is still negative yung sign natin. So, positive divided by negative equals negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Still negative kahit pagbaliktarin mo, guys. So, yan. Ang sign natin is negative. Then, pag-divide natin yung 36 and 9. So, ang answer dyan is 4. Negative 4. So, yan. Negative 4. Then, bilugan natin yung negative 4. Yan. Okay. Y equals negative 42 divided by 6. So, yan. Same lang sila ng problem sa magkasunod. So, yan. Negative and brush natin. Negative and positive. So, ang magiging sign natin is negative. So, negative 42 divided by 6. So, ang answer natin is negative 7. Okay. Next, x equals negative 36 divided by negative 9. So, same sign. Negative and negative. So, yan, magkaparehas sila ng rules ng multiplication. Kapag ang multiplication ay negative times negative equals positive. So, ang division naman is negative divided by negative equals positive. So, pag-divide natin yung 36 and 9, so, ang answer is positive 4. Ayan. Practice result perfect. Another question tayo para lubos ninyong maintindihan. Ayan. So, another question, pangdagdag. X equals 35 divided by 7. So, same sign. Positive divided by positive. So, ang magiging sign natin is still positive. So, 35 divided by 7 equals positive 5. Yan. Bilugan natin yung positive 5. Okay. Next, y equals 20 divided by 4. Y equals. So, yan. Same sign na naman. Positive and positive. Then, magiging answer ng sign natin is still positive. So, 20 divided by 4 equals positive 5. Bilugan natin yung positive 5. Okay. Next. Y equals negative 45 divided by 9. So, ang sign natin na naman is opposite. Positive, negative, and then positive. So, ang magiging answer natin is negative. So, negative 45 divided by 9 is 5. Negative 5. Yan, negative 5. Okay. Next. Y equals negative 12 divided by 3. So, opposite yung sign natin. Negative and positive. And then, the answer of our sign is negative, still negative. So, kapag opposite, is still negative. Kapag ang solution natin is division. So, negative 12 divided by 3 equals negative 4. Negative 4. Okay, next. X equals negative 56 divided by negative 8. So, same sign na negative and negative. So, ang magiging answer natin ng sign is magiging positive. So, negative 56 divided by negative 8 equals positive 7. Okay, practice result is perfect. So, ayan guys, next topic tayo sa next day is about eliminating terms. So, we need to two-step in this problem. Itong tatapikin natin, we need to two-step. So, ayan, hindi katulad ng una nating tinapik na about rules of sign is isa lang yung step. So, ang eliminating terms is dalawang step yung gagawin natin. So, yan yung next topic natin. So, ang mga eliminating terms natin is by removing subtraction, removing addition, removing multiplication, removing division. So, yan. So, medyo mahirap lang konti. So, yan. Yung, for example, yung removing addition natin, yung addition natin is gagawin nating subtraction. So, yung subtraction natin is gagawin nating addition. And also, the multiplication, gagawin nating division. So, yan. Madali lang, guys. So, madali lang, guys. So, sana hindi kayo malilito kasi yan is i-apply din natin yung arithmetic, simple arithmetic na tinapik natin sa una na about rules of sign. So, yan yung yung next topic natin. So, ayan lamang guys and yan, next tayo. So, ayan guys, dyan na tayo nagtatapos. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa ating topic about division. So, yan, madali lang po yan guys, pang elementary. So, hindi naman po ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral pero kahit ganon, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung aking nalalaman. So, malaki rin na may tutulong natin ito guys para sa mga estudyante natin na nag-aaral pa lang. So, ayan, hindi naman po hadlang yung hindi ka nakapag-aral para hindi mo i-share yung nalalaman. So, hindi lang po teacher or professional yung pwedeng mag-share ng kanyang nalalaman about dyan. So, yan. Patuloy pa rin tayo na kahit hindi po tayo nakapagtapos. So, patuloy pa rin tayo na mangangarap. So, hindi po yan hadlang sa mga gusto nating abutin. So, ayan. Maging be confident lang sa inyong sarili. So, dyan na naman tayo nagtatapos and so, magpapaalam na naman si Inday and ingat po tayong lahat and God bless. So, yan, bye!